Hey, it's Tammy Lynn Hancock. I'm the little engine that could, and you can be the little engine that could too if you just don't give up. My goal is to help network marketers from all over the world grow their business by learning attraction marketing. And today's video is about not letting other people hold your pen. But also it's the weekend, so on the weekends I'm usually going to be found, hey Layla, sitting outside by my garden. I'm going to be being a little bit more relaxed. Today I don't have my orange cream whiskey that I normally drink when I'm doing my Sunday afternoon lives. But I thought I'd share with you something funny first before I get into the video. Have you ever had those things, those moments that are like embarrassing moments? I was sitting in the car. I was eating my protein bar. It was really good. It's got a lot of protein in it, low sugar, low carbs, but it had some chocolate. And so, of course, I managed to get some chocolate on my lip, and I didn't know it. I'm going to move because you can't see me. Looks like I'm losing the network connection. Okay, so anyway, I managed to get some chocolate on my lip, and I didn't know about it. So I go in and I see a patient, and I talk to them for about 45 minutes, and I went and looked in the mirror, and I had chocolate on my lip the whole time. So I was just kind of ranting about that. Don't you just hate it when all of a sudden you've been talking to somebody and you had chocolate on your lip the whole time? How absolutely embarrassing. So I was wondering if they thought that it wasn't chocolate. Maybe they thought I had like funny moles on my lips or something. Anyway, just to put a little bit of humor, because we all have humorous things that happen in our lives. So why am I getting low network connection? Okay, so today's video was talking a little bit about not letting somebody else hold your pen. And what am I talking about? Well, the other day I was over at somebody else's Facebook page, and I was looking at some of the stuff they had on there, and I saw this quote, and it said, "When writing the story of your life, don't let anyone else hold your pen." Now think about that. That's pretty profound. If someone else is holding their pen, what does it mean? It means that they're kind of telling you how you should run your life. Let's put it this way. When writing the story of your online business, don't let anyone else hold your pen. Now, think about that one. How many times do we let other people tell us how our online our online business should be run? How many times do we do what our upline tells us to do, but it's really not what we want to do? I don't know if you're like me. For years and years and years, I did network marketing all wrong. I did it the salesy way, where I went and I kept going after people and scared my friends and family all away. And then I learned about the power of attraction marketing, where I was to be a person of value and to give out helpful things and to help other people grow their business. And in doing so, when they were ready, they'd come to me, and we would be able to work together. That's the beauty of attraction marketing. But for a long time, I let somebody else hold my pen, and in doing so, it held me back. So today's video was just all about you thinking about who's holding your pen, who's holding the pen in your personal life, and who's holding the pen in your business life. Remember, when we got into online marketing, it was us who signed our names on the distributor paper. It is our business. It's not our upline business. It's not our downline business. It's not anybody else's business but us and the company, right? And so we have the right as independent business owners to run the business the way we want to do it. And so if in your heart you want to really grow your business, you really want to apply attraction marketing, you really want to do some things in a different way, you're holding your own pen, so go do it your way. So I just wanted to encourage you with that. Not to put down our uplines. I've got a really nice upline. They're wonderful. And I love them. I'm not talking about that. What I'm talking about is that we all have to act like independent business owners. And if we want to be successful running our online businesses, you have to be the owner of your business. You have to be one writing the pen, holding the pen, writing the checks, doing anything to run your business. And I want to say that you have the ability and the smarts and the everything that's needed to be able to run your business. You might just need some tools. So if one of the things that I love to do is to help network marketers learn how to grow their business. And so I want to put something out there. I want to see how many of you watching this video would be interested in doing some pretty intensive training, say a 7-day boot camp training and then a 10-day boot camp training that would really get you to understand attraction marketing. So before I get that all going, I want to see how many people are interested. So if you're saying, hey, Tammy Lynn, this is something I would really like to do. I'd really like to understand what attraction marketing is. I'd really like to understand how to apply it, how to work it, what the tools are needed. Just tell me everything about it. Let me know by saying interested. Drop that comment below and I'll be glad to get back to you. But I'm just kind of putting a poll out there, see how many people are interested, and then if they are, I'll follow up in a few days. And so keep watching, because if I do start to put this together, I'll let you guys know about it right away. So today's question was just one of those pondering ones. Who's holding your pen? And I hope that you will be brave enough to just pick up the pen and run your business your way, because you can do it. And I'm the little engine that could, and you can be the little engine that could. That means you can overcome any obstacle that comes your way if you just don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. If you've got any questions about attraction marketing, please just drop them in the comments below. If you're watching this on replay, just put in replay. If you've got any questions, feel free to contact me and I'll be glad to get back to you. And also feel free to share. So I'll be back again tomorrow. Same bat channel, but not the same bat time, because Tammy Lynn just comes on when she comes on. So have a great day and God bless.